Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram account type from business back to creator or personal account. Very easy guys, very simple, just a couple of clicks. First thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right and hit the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy menu, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called for professionals. You want to click on the first option, business tools and controls. Now guys, this is where the magic happens. I want you to pay very close attention. I want you to scroll all the way, almost to the bottom of the page, and I want you to click on switch account type. This is where you will be able to switch from your current business account back to either personal or creator account. Very important, if you have a business account right now and if you try to make your business account private, you're not going to be able to do it. For you to be able to make your Instagram account private, your account has to be either personal or creator. And this is how and this is where you're going to switch your account type. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.